There's a tea bag on the floor. Okay, we'll just start from the beginning. We're actually
Okay, so need another. No,
here's this twist. Okay, we've got apple juice, we've got orange juice, we've got milk.
Juice in there.
We've got water,
Why?
we've got Pepsi,
Like
we've got milk, we've got...
Did you put sugar?
Oh, put sugar in it.
No, don't.
Oh, come on.
No, don't.
Oh, come on, put me to do this.
Oh, no.
Where's the tea bag?
In the bin, but we made like.
You made like a liquid for... Put an egg in it.
No. Right, come look in here.
This guy's
We
so
made
strong.
that much.
Okay.
Only that
you put
much
it in
more.
the fridge.
Where-
No, just put it in just now.
It's got coffee and the
Coffee
tea
and
bag
a
in
tea
it.
bag in it.
Oh,
But it's like that much water, so it's really strong.
just pour it in.
Right, you watching?
Right. This is gonna be mine. Oh no. Right, he's ready.
It's like happily coffee.
Right, Dylan, no, can you do this? Right, we need to do this now, we've not got that much memory.
Right, go.
Come on,
No,
Wait.
wait.
Look at it, it looks like sand.
Diarrhea.
Like shape.
Diarrhea. I got rocket to the
He's
sun.
ready.
No, no! It's a better idea at the time.
3.
3, 2, 1.
Connor.
I didn't stop the good time.
Chrissy's dying.
That's the most disgusting. I can taste everything.
Oh,
Is it apple juice in the coffee?
What was the show?
Connor never stopped.
Do you know when you were laughing I was still drinking?
No,
No.
George. We're not down in that.
There you go. Okay. We're gonna see
Shove water in it so it doesn't
Oh.
look at this.
Let's see what colour it goes, just to taste it. Slimer. Okay.
Oh my god.
Join us next week.